Hey, welcome back to ULMX. Today we're up at the University of Ulm. Came up here on a bike ride. That's my bike in the background. Looks pretty sick, right? Creaks. Have not taken care of it very well. The bottom bracket's creaking. Hey, bus. Public transportation in Germany. So popular. Crazy, this university is only like 50 years old. Like maybe last year or the year before, it turned 50. The University of New Hampshire, by contrast, although, you know, America, New World. University of New Hampshire was founded in like 1743 or something. Crazy. Probably just made that number completely up, but hey, could be right. Yeah, I wanted to talk about why am I speaking like only English in my videos nowadays. It's a good question. Thanks for asking. It's not because I'm embarrassed to speak German. It's not because I don't feel like I can express myself well enough, or like, I don't know, what other reason you could imagine. That's not the reason, unless you're imagining the real reason, in which case it is the reason. It attracted the wrong kind of people, unfortunately. I thought, well, it's cool because most of the Americans who make videos about, you know, culture, whatever, differences between America and the United States, none of them speak German in their videos. It's like they're embarrassed to, or that, I don't know. Maybe they had the same experience I did, I'm not sure. Could be. But I found that the people who really liked those videos, who left a lot of comments, even positive comments, were not really the people I wanted in the comments. That's not the audience I'm trying to build. Ultimately, I'm looking for open-minded people who want to learn languages. Universal language media exchange. That's why, you know, we make videos. Instead of attracting open-minded people who want to learn languages and ultimately download the app, this video is sponsored by the ULMX app, available in the App Store. Buy it now. You really do want to buy it now because the next version is coming out soon, and you'll be grandfathered in. So get in as early as you can and enjoy all the benefits. Instead of attracting open-minded people who want to download the app, instead of attracting open-minded people who want to learn languages, I've found closed-minded people who really just think Germany's at the center of the world and only want to hear good things about Germany, and especially want to hear how great Germany is. Like, I made this video about influencers, you know, not social media influencers, back in the day influencers from the Renaissance, or, you know, a long time ago. And the people who commented on that video, it was called Influenced by Germany, or something like that. How this American was influenced by Germany without even knowing it. People loved it, but the people who loved it were pretty nationalistic, populistic, kind of questionable people. Hey, it's a little bumblebee. Beautiful sunshine today. Today's the end of March. It is blasted. The sun is beaming. Came up here on a bike ride, tried to kill two birds with one stone, so to speak. I wanted to get some exercise in, also practice with this new camera. We're rocking the Lumix, the Panasonic Lumix. Not sure all the letters. I think it's DMC and then FZ300. Yeah. It's not your typical YouTube camera. Most people want the detachable lenses, and that was not what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm also testing out a microphone, so as you can see, I don't have a problem going off topic at all. Just testing. And also letting you guys know, giving you guys a little update. Why are the videos in English? Unfortunately, although it attracted a lot of sort of viral growth, because it's kind of a new thing no one's ever really seen, apparently. I haven't either. I haven't seen Americans speaking German. Yeah, in the future maybe again, but right now, I'm trying to kind of cleanse out that sort of nationalistic, populistic following who are just like, yeah, German's the best, America sucks, thank you for integrating. Buy the app, please. Yeah, that's about it. Also, I'm just basically practicing here. It's a practice video. Thanks for watching. ULMX. So what's coming in the new version? We're gonna make it so that you can download the app for free through that, like by setting it up so you can have multiple albums. We can also give it multiple languages, which in the current version, the current prototype basically, wasn't possible. It was just one language, had to pick one. Wow, the sun's so good. I'm getting so much vitamin D right now. I'm so pumped. Oh, I wish I got this vitamin D all year round. I could really use this vitamin D. Anyway, this is ULMX, Universal Language Media Exchange. I'm just enjoying sitting on this step right now. We'll see you next time.